man, blessed.
Unique.
Amazing.
Handsome. I don't know, every 30 to 40 minutes.
Yearly? Satch, are you gonna tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong? Oh, God.
Every month. Change it every month.
Every 30 days.
The filters across the world, it says 90 days, but if it's an easy access area, if you could do it monthly, you'd be so much happier.
Well, it keeps the airflow going and helps to keep the growth out of the machine.
I should have studied for this.
I don't know. Maybe I should take a look at that.
Call best.
Automatically, I go and check my flow switch. You know, there's obviously a trip in the system.
Most likely, because the low voltage was disconnected, and the most common reason for that is probably the drain line float sensor.
Turn it off and call Randy at best.
Call the AC guy right away. And when they call, most of the office staff or even the tech that'll call you on the way will tell you to turn the breakers off. That way we can help diagnose it, because when it's frozen solid, you can't do much to it.
Turn it off right away.
Ooh, call us, we'll fix it. Gluten. Delicious.
Something I'm not supposed to have.
Gluten is a ingredient in the thing I love most, bread.
My wife's been making me buy a lot of gluten-free stuff, so I think it's supposed to be healthy.
You take gluten, you crush it up, and you sprinkle it on donuts.
Jeez, I don't know, probably a senator, maybe?
Not even a slight clue. Great hair, though. Great hair. Like the whole thing. It's working.
See the vice president? Yeah.
That's Mike Pence, isn't it?
Mike Pence. Yeah.
Ariana?
I have no clue, but can we hire her?
Well, if you're gonna show me pop culture and it's about women, this stupid Kardashians are everywhere, so that's probably one of the Kardashians.
That's Kim Kardashian. God, I knew who Kim Kardashian was in like 2 seconds. It took me like 5 minutes to get Mike Pence.
Kim Kardashian.
Come on.
You picked a good one.
When you say
I want it that way.
Tell me why.
ain't nothing but a party. Tell me why.
One word. You're gonna edit this, right?
Sarah Silverman. No? Rosie O'Donnell. Mike Kaiser.
Can I do the moonwalk so I can get out of here?